Dalek. This way to the Devil's Arse.
Dad, what? No, but what's this though?
It's Peveril Castle up there, look.
What's this?
Hello.
The Devil's Arse?
We're getting to the Devil's Arse now.
Look at these
Really?
ices, though.
Beautifully, look.
Look at this village.
Pretty. Where's any ghosts? There's no ghosts, is there? I'm going, I'm off. Pretty yellow. What is it? Beautiful, isn't it? Take some photographs on the way back. Range cottage. How gorgeous is this? It really is. Sorry, I'm just going to use it again. It really is quite pretty. There in front of us though.
Dad?
Yeah?
You have to pay for this one.
We've already paid. We paid for both earlier. Concerts like Britain's largest cave entrance. Come down off there because you'll slip. It's fine. So here we are, Peak Cavern now. Britain's largest cave entrance.
Is anyone touring?
Yeah.
You just go straight in?
Oh, we've got to show a ticket.
Yeah.
No, it's not till 4 o'clock, I think.
This is my new place. So welcome to the Devil's Arse. Why did they call it that?
Why do they call it the Devil's Arse? I suppose because it looks a bit like what the Devil's Arse would look like. I think.
What?
You look into the secret garden. Down. One of these cameras. It's wonderful. Well, we're just having a wander around because we can't go into the caves till 4 o'clock. Well, 10 to 4. Yeah, look, see? This camera's amazing. The blazes it. It'll be called Castleton because of the castle on the hill, Peveril Castle.
Yeah. Arse. It's called Arse.
It's like Asda, but without the A. Should we see some ice cream? Lily's finishing off her humongous ice cream.
This is my favourite one.
The what? You alright?
Yeah. This is my favourite one.
You're doing quite well there, considering. This is the biggest ice cream known to man.
And looted, unfortunately. We do have some left. The largest in the cave are around us now. There's a big flowstone curtain up there. That's the tip of it. You'll see the rest of it from the other side. And there are 4 large flowstone stalactites, which we were just underneath a few moments ago. Okay. Which are pretty big as stalactites go, especially that one. But you see we've got quite blunt, quite squared off ends. That's because these have also been sawn off, taken as ornaments by wealthy people in the past. I know exactly what these are because they're in a glass display case in a back room at Chatsworth House. Anyone's been there? Big country house in the Bakewell. The Cavendish family used to own Peak Cavern as well, and they took them as garden ornaments.
Excuse me, do you know anything about the statue that's there?
Yeah. So they've quite often come to film television programmes and movies in the cave. We've had a couple of odd episodes of Doctor Who filmed here. More recently we had location scouts looking around from Sky, not long ago at all, looking for someone to film new sci-fi. I showed around location scout last year from CBBC, looking for someone to film a new series of a children's programme called The Worst Witch. They were thinking of flying a big drone through the cave and making it look like a high-speed chase on broomsticks through the cavern. So I do hope they film here because I quite like to see it. And they may well leave behind some props. People often have in the past, and some of those props are still lying around the cave, and you've spotted the larger one. This sinister figure, believe it or not, is Father Christmas. It's from a 2008 ITV made-for-TV movie called Clash of the Santas with Robson Green. So the floor's become a little bit sandy, isn't it? This is a dried out riverbed. The water used to flow along here, down the bottom of the rope walks and on into the gorge. They've drained it over the years so that visitors like you can get in without needing little wooden boats. But despite their efforts, this part of the cave can still flood. It happens 15 times a year or more. In March, early March, when there was a lot of heavy rain, we were flooded for 8 consecutive days, which hasn't happened in at least a couple of decades. The name really is very old. It was dropped for more than 100 years. It actually wasn't used for a long time. It was brought back quite recently because Victorians didn't like it, as you can imagine, known as being quite prudish. As I said, Queen Victoria herself came to the cave, so they sort of repainted the signs as she arrived to avoid having the Queen go into the Devil's Arse, which understandably they wanted to avoid, but it is actually the original name for the cave. We're about to go through what's called Lumbago Walk. You may realise why. If you keep to the left, the ceiling is a little bit higher, so I recommend that quite strongly. This is the very worst bit. It's going to get better, but there is some more stooping. Take your time, and obviously, please mind your heads. I'll meet you on the other side.
Holy moly. Look at this. Wow. Look at that, Lil. Holy. Wow.
This third chamber is called Pluto's Dining Room. We're now stood pretty much directly underneath a little valley called Cavedale, next to the castle. It has 8 to bunch up a little bit on this railing so that you can all see. So yeah, put that in 89, because there's a scene in the Chronicles of Narnia where the children fall down a muddy slope, and it was actually this long fiberglass slide right here, which ends just around the corner. It has since been used as a camera track, and has been left there because it's quite a fun way for cavers and potholers to get further into the system. Which we do quite a lot because you've seen 1/4 of a mile of passage since we were back in the daylight. But beyond the railing, down the slide, there are another 13 miles in this cave. It's the largest network in the Peak District. It has 8 entrances, with one entrance in our sister cave, Speedwell Cavern, and there's mine with the boat ride, is another entrance into this same cave system.
Nobody's any joking, you switch them all off in one go. You switch them all off in one go. That's good, well. Right, we're coming back towards the devil's horse now. No, it was that bit further along, remember? Right, well. Gets your neck that as well. Right, well, make our way out now. So the tour's finished. So we've been in Peak Cavern. Is that good?
Yeah.
It's interesting, wasn't it?
I'm just very cold.
It is a bit fresh and water's dropping from the ceiling. That's cool with the purpley lights. Hello. Thank you. So these pictures.
That's how much water came off.
Yeah. Here, into my head. Well, had a good time?
Yeah.
Right, we've been filming on the Eos M100, which is unusual. We don't normally use the Canons. Obviously got the Gopro and the Insta 360. Tiny little bit of views, XR footage. But yeah, 2 caves done. Whether I do 2 videos or 1 video, not quite sure yet. But we've got a really steep climb now in the car. So we'll set the camera up and do it as a time lapse as we're going up the bank, because it is really, really steep, so that should be interesting. But hopefully you've enjoyed the video of today.
And subscribe to my dad's channel.
Yeah.
And go on my channel as well, which is called Come Dance with Lily.
Yeah, which has got 1 video on there, but we must do more.
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you very much for all the new subscribers, as always. Hope you've enjoyed our trip out today. It's been nice. Bank holiday Monday. Kids are back to school tomorrow.
Yeah.
Hurrah! Can't wait. So you know, as always, hit the like button if you've enjoyed it. First time, please subscribe, and as always, until next time, stay safe and see you soon. Cheers, bye.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help